Uh-oh. On today's episode, we'll be teaching you how to keep your vehicle's battery healthy. Think of your car's battery as a piggy bank full of charge. When you drive, the alternator tops it up. For longer drives, you deposit more charge. For shorter drive, you deposit less. Start-stop drives also deposit less charge. When you start your car, that's when you draw the current from the battery. And if you have a weak battery, that's when you might have trouble starting your car. Let's get right into it. Start by checking the battery terminals for any signs of corrosion. This gunk can disrupt the flow of electricity and lead to problems. Next, ensure that the battery terminals connections are tight and secure. Loose connections can cause electrical issues and lead to poor performance. Lastly, give your battery a visual inspection for any signs of physical damage. Cracks or leaks, this can indicate the battery is on its last legs. And remember, when in doubt, you can always consult me or any of our friendly service advisors at Volkswagen Singapore.